Acorn to oak tree yoga. Imagine that you are an acorn lying deep in the earth. Every acorn has the potential to be a huge oak tree. Rock back and forth as you start to open up your hard shell. Your roots sprout out of your shell and reach down into the ground. Straighten your legs and stand up tall as a seedling. Reach your arms up to the sky like big tall branches. Imagine squirrels and blue jays in your branches dropping your acorns to the ground. Imagine all the animals that eat acorns. There are over 100 different kinds. The tree provides food for everyone. Bend your knees into squat pose and be a squirrel. Stand on one leg and reach your wings out wide to be a blue jay. Bend your knees and elbows to be a flying squirrel or a bear. Come down onto your hands and knees to be a groundhog, a possum, or raccoon. Sit on your shins, bring your forehead to the floor, clasp your hands behind you, and lift them away from your seat to be a rabbit. Sit on your bottom, drop both knees to the right, and twist to the right to be a deer. Then drop both knees to the left and twist left. The world is full of enough acorns for everyone. Take a moment to think of all the good things you have in your life to be grateful for. Trees provide so much more than just acorns for the creatures around them. They provide shade, shelter, leaves and twigs for nest making, and oxygen for us to breathe. How can you be like the oak tree and use your many blessings and gifts to help those around you?